how could red meat cause diabetes if an only meat diet seems to be fantastically effective for treating diabetes? People have been claiming that meat causes this or that ailment since the early 1900s. Which is why people were baffled when Vilhjalmur Stefansson and Carsten Anderson had success on a year of just meat. Actually, just recently, Harvard claimed that red meat is linked to diabetes. Ironically, an earlier study on 2,029 carnivore dieters was done by a team of researchers out of Harvard University. While we're limited to just this one paper, it does suggest that if the carnivore diet could be sold as a pill, it would immediately be the absolute best diabetes drug on the planet. 402 of the people in the study said that they went carnivore to manage their diabetes or insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is basically the first step that leads to diabetes. The carnivore diet was so effective that 74% of these people completely resolved their diabetes or insulin resistance, and 24% of them improved their condition. Putting that together, that's 98% of them experiencing a benefit from a meat-only diet. So, actually, a Dr. John Rollo famously cured 2 diabetic patients way back in 1797 with a diet of only meat and fat. But fatty meat causes heart disease and all these other problems. Alright, a 2009 paper says that insulin resistance itself is likely the most single important cause of heart disease. Okay, so then how can red meat and saturated fat cause heart disease if insulin resistance is the most important cause of heart disease and a diet of only meat and fat reverses insulin resistance?